Hi folks, welcome to Automotive Technica. So this is the L14 laptop from Lenovo that was delivered on July, and what I will show you is see the condition of the box. The condition of the box is quite mangled. Yeah, this is what it is, and it was an open box delivery. And what I see is this box, I just had a suspect, and the manufacture date of this laptop happened to be 2025 in the month of October. So that's what I found it somewhere. Yeah. So this is 2025 laptop manufactured, and it is delivered in 2026 July. Almost 6 months old. So this is what the label shows. Okay, now when I started and installed Windows, this is a DOS-based laptop, and yeah, the serial number is this. Yeah, this is PG05BP75. Now what happens here is, when I inquired with the Amazon, I found that the serial number what they have entered in their system is not this. They added one more S before P here. And why I inquired, because since this laptop is almost 6 months old by manufacturer, I had a suspicion that they have done something, or it might not have been sold earlier. So 10 2025 year of manufacture is something pretty questionable. And when I saw it on my screen from their Lenovo website, this is what I see. The warranty status is less than 30 months. So their website shows it's 3 years prime warranty, and this is the serial number. It is PG05BB75. Now in this case, what happens is, if I scroll up the screen, it shows the warranty has started 14/11/2025 and end date is 13/12/2028. Now the site is like days remaining 892. Now why this is? This says 3 years carry-in warranty. Now when I called the Amazon guy, they said they don't find a serial number. The serial number what I have found out on my laptop backside, and here it is read by the Lenovo Bridge. So this, they said it's SPG05BB75, and I told them that this is almost 6 months out of warranty now, so less than 30 months remaining. So they said since the serial number is mismatched, they would like to refund this amount for this laptop. So that's the problem from their end, and yeah, this is what I wanted to update. So Amazon is selling 6 months old laptops. I didn't like this kind of product sale, and but yeah, although if you are okay with that, you can click here to update your new warranty, but the invoice and everything will have a different serial number, right? That is SPG is, and this PG is not same. So that is where the catch is. So folks, as per the laptop wise, laptop looks pretty good, and that's where I would like to, yeah, I'm a Lenovo fan, and the thing is, this is what I wanted to convey, that be careful when you are ordering it online. You need to get it the latest manufacturing date. So stay tuned folks. Thanks for watching this video and stay blessed.